What's up, guys? I have myself the Blink 4, which I've had for a while. Actually, I have a couple of them. No problem with them, but it says it lasts 2 years, and you get about 6 months out of them with 30-second recordings. You kind of really use the batteries up when you first get them, because you're so excited to see through them or whatever. But I really don't get the life expectancy I need. So I went ahead and bought this kit. Comes with 3 of them. Link will be in the description below, and I'm hoping that this will extend this a little bit longer. I'm sure it will, because you guys see the specs on these things. Again, the link will be in the description below. 3 battery packs, AA is not included. Output is 3 volt, and it looks like it just seamlessly, did I say it right? Did I do it? Just bolts to the back of it, and it almost uses like the same mount. My mount's actually mounted right now. I do have an extra mount. Maybe I will try that, but we'll see how it hooks up. I had 4 AA batteries, so it's gonna take 4 AA batteries. No problem there. I'll probably put rechargeables in that. We'll have to see. Extends life significantly, yeah, because if it's going 6 months with 2 batteries, 4 months will make it go 1.5 years for me, which is perfectly fine. This is how it came from Amazon. It was actually in a box, so it didn't get squished or nothing, which is nice. So I should expect a good item coming out of here. I haven't seen something packaged like that in forever. That's nice. No manual. That's all right. I'm sure it's self-explanatory. There's 3 of them here. Let's go ahead and look at all 3. See the condition of them. Looks like it uses this plastic right here to hold the batteries in place. I do like how light they are. With the mount with this, it's not one where you can tighten it. So if you had too much weight, you're probably gonna have some problems. And with the batteries, I like how light this is. It's got no ring around it. Skipping around here, skipping around. Holds 4 batteries in there. Looks like positive and then negative. Yeah, simple stuff. AA. Looks like you could like store a note back there. It does feel like nice plastic. Has their name on the side. Again, the link will be in the description below. Looks like it clips into something. Oh, it clips into the batteries that are in this. I wonder if it takes over the batteries. I was one, like, they didn't show too much online. Maybe I didn't look at it fully. But I was thinking it went into the USB-C port that's right there. When you take this off, it's inside of there. Because then, you know what I mean? So there's the screw. And then you still put the original cover back on. That's nice. Has a nice seal around it. Does come off if you need to clean it or get a new one. Looks like there's a screw hole right there. Let's go ahead and, oh, the reset button's still there. What is my phone doing? Reset button's still there. We'll have to see how it works. Let's go ahead and take this apart. I forgot to get batteries for this. Okay. No instructions, which is nice. Just making sure there's no instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure the condition of each one is similar. See if anything broke in transit. That's clipped in there really good too. It's got 2 clips keeping it. Yeah, nice plastic. Almost looks like something you could 3D print, but it would not last as long as what this would, or how well it fills. Checking it out. Okay, it goes on like this. I'm like, what? So it's doubling the life, not making it triple. Would have been nice if it went into USB-C, but there could be a problem where the camera would be like, oh, I'm plugged in, I can't show you live feeds or nothing. That's what my Googles do, which could be a problem. Looks like this is going to, does it have an up and a down? Oh, the reset. I guess you gotta kind of put the reset where it's supposed to go. So it's going to touch connection, positive and a negative, to these. And that's an alignment pin to go into that hole. Oh wow, that's not. Oh, that's so cool looking. The seal stays on when you take it off. That's good quality there. Sometimes they don't put a seal. This even has a seal on it. See that? That's nice. That also pulls it tight. Yeah, that feels great. Yeah, I forgot the batteries. Doesn't come with any. Let me go get some batteries. Okay, so we're going to be doubling the capacity. I'm going to go ahead and put them in. Looks like they go in this way. See how easy that is. Look at that. It's nice. I did mix match batteries, but I'm actually going to take this off, let these batteries run drained. Okay, so the USB-C is totally covered now. I don't think you could take it out. Like cut it out if you wanted to cut it out. So if you guys are using USB-C, which I don't think you are, it kind of looks like it's a little bit too far this way if you're looking at it. Can you see that good enough? I think if you had to cut that out to use it, I don't really know what the USB-C is for. It does everything over the app for me. I've never had to use it. Originally when I got these, I thought, or when I got the Blink, I thought that was how you charge it. And I was like, oh my gosh, it takes AA batteries? Okay, I tighten that. That's sealed up. It doesn't even really need to be sealed, does it? Where it's at, it's just sealing in between, so that's overkill. That's nice because this has a seal on it clear around it, and that this is the original equipment. Doesn't look like it has a seal on it, but and then the original equipment goes on theirs instead of them trying to give you a different back, which means that this is extra strong because original equipment's always the good stuff. So that means this will still lock right back onto my where I had it mounted. And I don't have to worry about breaking off because original equipment is perfect. I did not push that as I was pushing it in. But look at that, we got a perfect seal. Seals up just like the other one does. That'll go onto the mount, which is on my house, so I really can't test it. Looks like I got two of them. So let's go ahead and make sure it still works with the app. Oh, I'm getting texts from everybody. We should have had enough time to reboot. Let's go ahead and turn that up at the camera. It's also the camera that had a problem. It only has a problem indoors. You take it outside, it looks fine. It kicked the camera on. I think you guys can see the little blue light. Super delayed for some reason. It did kick on though, because oh now it's my internet must be. Oh, I'm uploading. Sorry guys, I'm actually uploading at the current moment to YouTube. So my internet is the problem, and it's because of me. Even though I have fiber, it's using every bit of it. It is working though. Let's screenshot that. Now let's go in and see what it says for battery. I did mix match batteries. Calm down, but we will. We'll see what it says. Account and privacy. I never go in here and look at the battery. You get a notification, and then you're like, okay, needs new batteries. Temperature. Somewhere I can click on them. Oh yeah, oops. Device settings. Okay, here we go. General settings. Battery level is okay, which means fully charged. It says shop a battery expansion packs. So it doesn't even know I have one on there, which is nice because then it's going to be like, oh, it's a fake one, all that bullcrap. So let's go see what theirs looks like compared to what I just got. There's from the Blink store. To me, it looks the same. What's their price? Link will be in the description below. Theirs plugs in the exact same way, so I'm guessing that you can't plug it in with USB-C. Yeah, so you're getting the same thing for cheaper, and I feel it's the same. Set up in minutes. I do agree with that. Let's turn this back on. Let's tear it apart in case I gotta tear it apart, you know? So you just take this off. So if I just did this, took this all the way off, it's no, you'd probably take it off mounted, wouldn't you? Say that was mounted. Pull that off. No, you're gonna have to take it off. Oh yeah, you will. Because, sorry guys, I'm just experimenting because people will be like, well, can you do this with it, that with it? Because this is tight. So now you loosen that, and then they will separate. Pretty cool. Okay, so that all fell apart as designed. It's just too simple. I'm sure I'm not pushing the reset button, but I'm sure the reset button was in the right spot. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Glad I picked these up. Looks like it's gonna give me 12 months of life. Okay, I gotta quit doing that. 12 months of life, at least with good batteries in there. And yeah, thanks for watching. Link will be in the description below.